In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Freenom that says, "We are sorry, at this moment we are unable to register any domains or other service this account. Please contact support for more information." So there is a very simple solution to this problem. The only thing you have to do is you have to go back to Freenom. And let me go to my account very quick. Over here. My domains, I only have one domain which is expired, and if you want to make a new domain, hit register new domain. And the solution to this is if your domain will be testing how to and then check availability, you can hit it here, like get it now, but you can also hit for the solution. You have to put the domain behind it, so like this. So if I want testing how to .tk, you have to put tk over here. If you want ml.ga, you have to put it here. So if we do j, then hit check availability, this is one that is selected. Now I want to go to the checkout again, and let me delete all of this very quick. Like this, and you can forward it or use a DNS, and I always make sure you use 12 months for free because that's the longest period. Then you can hit continue, and now the problem will be solved. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.